If you've ever opened a massive PDF and thought, nope, too long, I don't have time for this, then ChatGPT 5 is about to change your life. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT 5 to summarize, translate, extract, and even turn PDFs into presentations. So you'll never waste time scrolling through documents again. Welcome back to Figuring Out AI, where I help you learn the smartest ways to use AI tools in your everyday life. And if I can figure it out, so can you. Summarizing PDFs. Let's start simple. I'll upload a 40-page report, and instead of reading the whole thing, I'll just type, summarize this PDF in plain English with bullet points. And here's the magic. ChatGPT gives me a clear, easy summary in seconds. Extracting key information. Now, maybe you don't need the whole thing, just one detail. For example, what does this contract say about cancellation? ChatGPT pulls out the exact section and no more scrolling through 50 pages. Rewriting and polishing. Maybe you've written a proposal or a CV in PDF format. Upload it and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in a more professional, friendlier, or even simpler way. It's like having your own editor on call. Translating PDFs. Got a document in Afrikaans, French, or Spanish? Upload it and say, translate this PDF into English. ChatGPT gives you the full translation instantly. Repurposing PDFs. Here's where it gets exciting. You can turn a PDF into a blog post, a social media thread, or even a YouTube script. For example, turn this PDF into a 5-minute teaching outline. Now you have content ready to use. Comparing PDFs. Upload 2 different versions of a policy or contract and ask ChatGPT, what's changed between these 2 PDFs? It highlights the differences, perfect for keeping track of updates. Data extraction. If you've got an invoice or tables, ChatGPT can pull them into a spreadsheet. Upload your invoice PDFs and ask, extract client names and payment amounts into a table, and boom, you've got your data ready for Excel. study and learning. And if you're studying, you can upload academic papers or even Bible study notes and ask ChatGPT to quiz you or to make flashcards. It's like an AI tutor in your pocket. So, whether you're working with contracts, reports, invoices, or study notes, ChatGPT 5 takes the headache out of PDFs. Try uploading your next PDF and see what it can do for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share this with somebody who's drowning in documents. Until next time, see you in the next video.